Hi guys, good evening. Welcome to Digi Wisdom. So in today's video tutorial, I am going to tell you what is the keyword match type in Google Ads and what are the different types we have in Google AdWords and which keyword match type is best for the business. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, we are going to discuss what is a keyword match type. So keyword match type, it helps the advertisers to control for which search terms they can show their ads on Google search engine. So being an advertiser, you can control for which kind of search terms Google should show your ad. So this is what we call keyword match types. So like we have short tail, long tail keywords in SEO. So similarly, we have different type of keyword match types that we have in Google Ads. So with this help of these keyword match types, we can tell Google for which term Google should show our ad. So this is we call keyword match types. And the second thing is the different match types. We have five match types in Google keyword match types. The first one is broad match. The second one is exact match. Third one is phrase match. Fourth one is broad match modifier. And the last one, the fifth one is negative match. So what is this? Broad match, exact match, phrase match, broad match modifier and negative match. So in detail we are going to discuss each and everything now. So initially we start with broad match. So what is this broad match? So broad match, for example, I am an advertiser. Let me just increase the font size. Yeah. So I want to bid for a keyword digital marketing training. So I am an advertiser. I want to show my ads for this keyword digital marketing training when somebody is searching on Google. So this is what is a keyword. Okay. So being an advertiser, you can instruct Google for when or for which terms Google will trigger your ad. So that is the power of this keyword match types. So like I told you, we have five match types: broad match, exact match, phrase match, broad match modifier and negative match. So we will see now what is this broad match. The first one is broad match keyword. What is this broad match keyword? So I told you I am an advertiser. So I tell Google this digital marketing training keyword should trigger my ad. So if I use this broad match type for my campaign, for example, if I use broad match for my campaign or in my campaign, Google can trigger my ads when a user is searching for digital marketing training. Okay, when somebody is searching on Google with this term, Google can show my ad. Also Google can show my ad when someone is searching for digital marketing course. Okay, for this term also Google can show my ad, and also Google might show my ad when somebody is searching for digital marketing institute. So this term also Google can show my ad, and Google might also show my ad when somebody is searching for digital marketing modules. Okay, this time also Google can show my ad, And also Google can show my ad for synonyms. For example, digital marketing syllabus. Okay, so for this term also Google can show my ad. So what is this broad match is, whatever the keyword that you want to show your ad, for which term you want to show your ad, that term Google will consider it as a broad match. So being an advertiser, you want to only show your ads when somebody is looking for digital marketing training. You don't want to show your ad when somebody is searching on Google for digital marketing material. For example, digital marketing material. Or you don't want to show your ad for digital marketing images. Okay, so this is the word for which you do not want to show your ad. So if you use broad match in your campaign, Google is going to show your ads for related terms. Google can also show your terms for synonyms. Google can also show your ads for close variations. What are the close variations? For example, I told you this digital marketing training, digital marketing course, digital marketing institutes. These are all the close variations and related terms. Synonyms, for example, digital marketing training course, digital marketing institutes. These are all the terms are close related and synonyms and the close variations for this word. So if you use this broad match for your campaigns, Google might show your ads, might trigger your ads for related terms, synonyms, close variations, and also sometimes for misspellings. Misspellings. For example, Google can also show your ad when somebody is searching for digital, this E is missing, and here this A is missing. Even Google can also show your ad for misspellings. Okay, so this is what is we call broad match. So being an advertiser, you can control, no, I don't want to show my ad for this kind of terms, broad match. Then you can also choose other match types that we call phrase match. For example, now we see phrase match. Phrase match, what is this phrase match? Phrase match, for example, I told you, like we discussed, this is our keyword, digital marketing training. Okay, so what is this phrase match? Phrase match will be represented with phrases, quotations. So this is how you add this keyword in your Google Ads campaign. So if you add any keyword with the phrases, Google will consider this as a phrase match keyword. Okay, so if you add any keyword with this phrase match, what happens when Google will serve your ad for this digital marketing training? Now you can add digital marketing training. So for this term, Google will show your ad. Okay, so what is the phrase? Digital marketing training. So this is the first word, second word, and the third word. This phrase should not be disturbed. For example, when Google will not show your ad if a user is searching with digital marketing course training. For this term, it will not show your ad. Why? The phrase has been disturbed. The phrase should be like digital marketing training, but now this second keyword phrase is something digital marketing course training. An extra word has been added in between this, the regular phrase. So if you want to show your ads, okay, if you want to show your ads only in the same phrase when a user is searching, you have to use this phrase match. And also we'll see for which terms or for which searches Google cannot show our ad. For example, when somebody is searching for digital marketing training in Hyderabad. For this term, Google can show your ad because the phrase is not disturbed. Digital marketing training. See here, digital marketing training. But after this phrase, some extra words can be added. Okay. So after the phrase, user can add some extra words or extra phrases. And also we will see another example. Best digital marketing training. See, now also Google can show your ad. Actually, what is the phrase digital marketing training? So these three in the same phrase, but extra word can be added in front of the phrase. Okay, so as a user you can add any word before the phrase or any word after the phrase, but you cannot add any word in between the phrases. That should not disturb the advertiser phrase, keyword phrase. So this is what we call phrase match. So phrase match is what? If you add any keyword with the phrase symbol or quotations, Google will consider this as a phrase match type. So when Google will show or trigger ads for this phrase match, only a user query, user search term meets our phrases. So if this is our phrase digital marketing training, user search query should contain digital first, marketing second, and training third. So this should be the same phrase. Phrase should not be disturbed. And also we'll see another example. Marketing digital training, but for this time it won't show your ad because the phrase is not maintained. The phrase is something digital should come first, marketing should come second, and training should come third. Though these are the three phrases, but the order has been changed. Okay, the order, marketing is coming first, digital is coming second, and training is coming third. It should not be the case. The same phrase 1 2 3, digital should come first, marketing should come second, and training should come third. You cannot add, a user cannot add any words or any phrases in between this keyword phrase, and but a user can add anything before the phrase or anything after the phrase. So this is what we call phrase match. And the third option, third match type we have is exact match. What is this exact match? Exact match will be represented with this bracket symbol. So any keyword, for example digital marketing training. So this is my keyword. I am an advertiser, this is my keyword. I have added this keyword in my campaign with this bracket symbol. Google will consider this as an exact match. For now, which terms Google can show my ad, we'll see now. So if any user searching on Google with digital marketing training, Google can trigger my ad. If any user is searching on Google with digital marketing training on Google search engine, Google will show my ad. If another user searching for digital marketing training in Hyderabad, Google this time it won't show my ad, won't show my ad. Why? Because a user or a customer cannot add any extra phrases after this keyword. For example, and the third user is searching on Google with same copy best digital marketing training. For this time also Google won't show my ad because a user cannot add any word before this keyword digital marketing training. A word cannot be added after the phrase, after the keyword. A word cannot be added before the keyword. Okay, for example, now another user is searching for digital marketing best training. For this term also, it won't show my ad, because this another any extra word should not come. Only digital marketing training, only these three terms should be there in the user search query. You cannot add any word before the keyword. A user cannot add any word after the keyword, or a user cannot add any keyword or any word between these three keywords. But order can be changed. Order can be changed. How you can change this order? For example, training digital marketing. So if anybody is searching on Google with this training digital marketing, it will trigger my ad, because okay, user is searching with the exact three keywords: digital marketing training. See here, training is coming, digital is coming, on this marketing is also coming. See what are the terms here? Digital marketing training. Here the user search query is also containing digital marketing training. No other words, no extra words. Okay, no words in between, no words after, no words before, and no words in between. But the order can be changed. Order can be changed. So this type of keywords we call exact match. And the fourth one we have is broad match modifier. We also call this match type is BMM. So what is this BMM? For example, any keyword you add in your ad group with plus symbol, that we call BMM, broad match modifier. For example, this is our keyword, digital marketing training. So as an advertiser, I should add plus symbol before every keyword or every word for that matter. So this type of keywords we call broad match modifier, that we call BMM. So when Google will show your ads, if you add your keywords in broad match modifier type. So being an advertiser, you want to show your ad for digital marketing training. So only Google will show your ads when a user search query will contain all these three words. Digital should be there, marketing should be there, and training also should be there. For example, we'll see when Google will show your ad. So first user searching for digital marketing training. See, Google will show your ad because this user contains three words: digital marketing training. And second user is coming, he is searching for best digital marketing training. This time also Google can show your ad because these three important terms are there in the user query. Though extra word has been added in front of the keyword, Google still show your ad. Okay, these three words are mandatory: digital marketing training. Now we'll see other user is searching for digital marketing training in Hyderabad. Now this time also Google will show your ad because an extra word has been added after these terms. Digital is there, marketing is there, and training is there. Digital marketing training in Hyderabad. Fourth user is typing for digital marketing course training. So this is the fourth person search query, and this time also Google will show your ad. Okay, so a word can be added before the keyword, a word can be added after the keyword, and a word can also be added in between the keywords. Okay, but only the main thing is we user query should contain all the plus symbol words. This digital marketing training, see, every search query has three words: digital is there, marketing is there, training is there. But also if the fifth one is searching for digital training, digital marketing. For this query also Google will show your ad. So what does it mean? Order of the keywords also permitted, reorder. So digital marketing training, so it is not like user should always search with digital first, marketing second and training third. No, this reordering of the words, jumbling of the words is also be allowed here, but only Google, when it doesn't show your ad, if any of these three word is missing in user query, then only Google will not show your ad. Now we'll see what is that keyword. Digital marketing course. This time it won't show your ad because only digital is there, marketing is there. See, digital should be there, marketing should be there, and also training should be there. But in this last query, digital is presented, marketing is yes presented, but the thing training is missing here. Training is missing here. So this, for this query, if anybody is searching this, our advertiser ads won't show up on Google. And for example, another query we will see. So digital marketing training, I remove this digital, I put online marketing training. Assume that some X user is searching with this keyword, and this time also it won't show up your ad because what is missing here? Digital is missing, marketing is coming, and training is also coming. See, marketing is coming, training is coming, but what is missing here? Digital is missing. So if any of the word is missing, so Google will not show your ads. So this is what is broad match modifier. Order can be changed, jumbling of words also be allowed. Okay, words can be added if in before the words, any extra word can be added after the words, any word can be added in between the words, but only if any of the word is missing, then Google won't show up advertiser ads or your ads. And the last one we have is negative match. What is this negative match? Negative match allows or controls advertisers for which terms they don't want to show your ads. Negative, what is negative? For which terms you don't want to show ads. So for example, negative match. What is the negative match? So we are bidding for this keyword. What is that keyword? Digital marketing training. So what does this negative match will do is, I am an advertiser, I want to show my ads for digital marketing training. I do not want to show my ad when somebody is searching for free digital marketing course, because I am providing paid digital marketing courses. So I do not want to show my ad when somebody is searching with this free word, digital marketing training. But free word should not be there. If anybody is searching with a free word, I do not want to show my ad, then you can add this free in your negative match keywords. So simply negative match is what? For which terms you do not want to show your ads. The rest, for which terms you want to show your ads, but only this negative match for which terms you do not want to show your ad. So again, and the second one, for example, I don't want to show my ad when somebody is searching for digital marketing images. So when somebody is searching for digital marketing training images, no, I do not want to show my ad. So what I do, I add this images word in my negative match keywords. So here I will add free, here I will add images. So what Google will do, Google don't show my ad if anybody is searching for digital marketing training free, or free digital marketing training, or free digital marketing course. If any word that contains free, Google won't show up my ad. In the second case, if any word that contains images in the user query, Google is not going to show my ad. So this is what is negative match. So negative match will not show your ads for those words you are going to add in your keyword list or negative keyword list. So that is what we have discussed. One is exact match, second one is phrase match, third one is broad match modifier, fourth one is broad match, and the next fifth one is negative match. So as per my experience, as per my knowledge, I prefer exact match, phrase match, and broad match modifier, because if you use this broad match, Google will show your ads for irrelated terms or irrelevant terms, so for which we do not want to pay, because in Google Ads PPC every click is important, we are paying for clicks. So what is the use if we are getting clicks for irrelated or irrelevant clicks? No. So that is why we don't use broad match. If you use broad match, what happens for some related keywords or some synonyms for misspellings and for close variations also, Google is going to show our ads. So we do not want to happen that. So we want to show only for the exact words, okay, that we are using in our Google ads. So better we go with either exact match or phrase match or broad match modifier. So if your business is new and if you want to show your ads for most of the keywords, I prefer this broad match modifier. If you are an established company, if you don't want to show your ads for all the terms, you can better go with the exact match or phrase match. That's it guys, thank you.